Hello and welcome Effie to the Community Summit Mastermind Hero of Heroes Challenge. Following normal Mastermind rules, the first round of 10 questions will be on general knowledge of the technology industry over the past 40 years, followed by 10 questions of your chosen specialist subject, serverless. You may pass at any time, and we'll come back to those questions once we've gone through the questions. So with that, let's get started and the very best of luck.
Thank you.
So question 1, can you give me the name of one of the Agile Manifesto's software development values?
Give you the name of the Agile Manifesto software developers?
Software developer values.
Software developer values. Pass.
Okay, we'll come back to that one afterwards. Question number 2. What was the second AWS service available launching in July 2006?
I think it was EC2.
No, it was SQS, Simple Queuing Service. Number 3, developed by Google, which language is a client-optimized programming language for mobile devices?
Again, can you repeat the question?
Developed by Google, which language is a client-optimized programming language for mobile devices?
Kotlin?
No, it's Dart. Question 4. What is the name of the pop-up mascot when using various Microsoft Office products?
Clippy.
Yes, Clippy. OWASP, O-W-A-S-P, is a foundation set up to help share and educate people on security best practices. But what does it stand for?
OWASP. Pass.
Okay. Question 6. The eye-opener will surprise you. An enthusiastic champion and advocate of technology and startup mentor, which famous person created the iPhone case with 4 interchangeable lenses? There's a clue in the question there. This eye-opener will surprise you. An enthusiastic champion and advocate of technology and a startup mentor, which famous celebrity created an iPhone case with 4 interchangeable lenses?
Again, can you repeat the question?
Yep. This eye-opener will surprise you. An enthusiastic champion and advocate of technology and startup mentor, which famous celebrity created an iPhone case with 4 interchangeable lenses? There's a clue in the question as to who it is. I'll do it one last time. This eye-opener will surprise you. An enthusiastic champion and advocate of technology and startup mentor, which famous celebrity created an iPhone case with 4 interchangeable lenses?
Pass.
Okay. Question 7. In the 1995 film Hackers, who plays either the male or female leads of Zero Cool or Acid Burn?
Again, repeat the question.
In the 1995 film Hackers, who plays either the male or female leads of Zero Cool, who's the male, or Acid Burn, who's the female?
Wow, it's difficult. Pass.
Okay. Question 8. What is the name of the UK inventor of the ZX81, ZX Spectrum, and the visionary C4?
Again, repeat the question.
What is the name of the UK inventor of the ZX81, ZX Spectrum, and the visionary C4?
Pass.
Okay. Question 9. Which AWS service would you typically use if you wanted to build a AAA rated game?
What AWS service again?
Would you typically use if you wanted to build a AAA rated game?
To build?
To develop a AAA rated game.
AWS service to build? AWS costs?
Okay, no, it's GameLift or Lumberyard. Those are the 2 gaming services. And the last question in general ignorance is, in open source, the Open Source Initiative maintains a list of criteria by which all open source licenses are assessed. What's this called?
Difficult questions. Pass.
Okay, right. Let's go through the questions you passed then. So the first question is, can you give me any one of the Agile Manifesto's software development values?
So you're giving me now another try to
Yes,
answer the questions?
That's right, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Sprints.
Okay, so no, so the answer is it could have been individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, or responding to change over following a plan. Those are kind of the values of, so that's the first one. Next past question was the OWASP. What does OWASP stand for?
Yeah, pass.
Okay, so that one. And the next one was the eye opener will surprise you, an enthusiastic champion and advocate of technology and startup mentor. Which famous person created the iPhone case with 4 interchangeable lenses?
Pass.
Okay. And then in the 1995 film Hackers, who plays either the male or female leads of Zero Cool or Acid Burn?
Pass.
Okay, so I'll give you the answers now because we can't. So actually, the answer to OWASP was the Open Web Application Security Project. The celebrity question was Will I Am. So the clue there was in the eye opener. Will. The 1995 film Hackers. It was either Johnny Miller or Angelina Jolie. So the next one you passed on was what is the name of the UK inventor, the ZX81, ZX Spectrum, and Visionary C4?
Pass.
So that was Sir Clive Sinclair. And then the final one was in open source. The open source initiative maintains a list of criteria by which all open source licenses are assessed. What's that list called?
Pass.
So that's called the OSD, the open source definition. So Effie, after that round, you have scored 1 point.
Oh.
No worries. You can all make it up now in your specialist round. Okay. So specialist round on serverless, starting with question 1. In what month and year did AWS launch AWS Lambda?
I think it was in 2016.
It was 2014.
December.
It was 2014. Okay, question 2. What is the open source technology that powers trillions of Lambda invocations per month?
It's the container technology. Pass.
Okay.
Forgot.
In AWS AppSync, what is the name of the function that converts the GraphQL payload to the underlying storage system protocol?
Again, can you repeat the question?
In AWS AppSync, what is the name of the function that converts the GraphQL payload to the underlying storage system protocol?
Pass.
Question 4. What are the 3 API types you can create in the AWS API Gateway console?
HTTP, REST, and forgot the name. The third one, HTTP, REST, and HTTP, REST. Pass.
Okay. Question 5. Serverless application model has a mascot, but what animal is that mascot?
It's a chipmunk.
Okay, I'll give you that. Yeah. Squirrel, chipmunk, same thing. Yeah. 6. Question 6. In AWS Lambda, what is at what memory limit does the underlying infrastructure provide additional CPUs?
It's above 1 gigabyte, 792 megabytes.
Yeah, fantastic. Very good. Question 7. When running Lambda functions on IoT Greengrass devices, What is the name of the configuration that allows you to automatically start your Lambda functions and keep them running on the Greengrass device?
Again, can you repeat the question?
When running Lambda functions on IoT Greengrass devices, what is the name of the configuration that allows you to automatically start your Lambda functions and keep them always running on the Greengrass device?
Provision concurrency?
No, it's pinned or long-lived functions. Question 8. In AWS AppSync, in what format are mapping templates that are used to translate a GraphQL request written?
In what format? I think it's,
what's the mapping template? So what format are mapping templates?
Yeah, I think it's YAML.
No, it's VTL, Apache Velocity Template Language. Question 9. When creating orchestration using AWS step functions, what is the name of the JSON-based structured language used to define your state machine?
Pass.
Okay. And question 10. When using express workflows and step functions, what's the maximum duration in minutes that you can have?
I think it's 1 minute.
Okay, it's 5. So let's go back to the questions you passed. So question 2, what's the name of the open source technology that powers trillions of Lambda invocations per month?
Damn it. It's not Fargate. It's
it begins with the same letter.
It begins with the same letter. Pass.
Okay, it's Firecracker. yeah. It's always one of those ones that you almost you know, but you can't remember. Okay, question 3. In AWS AppSync, what's the name of the function that converts the GraphQL payload to the underlying storage system protocol?
Pass.
Okay, that's a resolver. And question 4, you had 2 of the 3 API types, but what's the third? So you had
REST, HTTP, and damn it. It's not streaming. It's
close to streaming.
Yeah, I know it's close to streaming. I just forgot the technical name.
Yeah.
Pass.
Okay, it's WebSockets.
WebSockets.
But I'll give you that one because you had two of the 3, so that's fair enough.
Thank you. You're generous.
Okay, question 7. No, we did that one. I think the last question was when creating orchestration using AWS step functions, what's the name of the JSON language? The structured language used to define your state machine.
Yes, step function state machine.
It's Amazon state language. Amazon states language.
Amazon state.
Okay. Well, thank you, Effie. After that, you've scored 3 points on the specialist round, which means you've scored 4 overall. So thank you very much, and good luck in the Hero of Hero challenges.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.